Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by making a moist filling. Shred 2 cups cooked chicken and toss with 1 cup warm chicken broth so the meat stays tender. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a skillet, add 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 diced onion, and cook until translucent. Stir in 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, and a pinch of salt. Pour 1 cup tomato sauce and simmer 10 minutes to make the enchilada sauce. Measure 1/2 cup sauce per 2 tortillas for even coverage. Warm corn tortillas on a dry skillet 30 seconds per side, or microwave in a damp towel for 20 seconds to prevent cracking while rolling. Spoon about 1/4 cup of the chicken filling and 1 tablespoon shredded cheese into the center of each tortilla, then roll snugly. Pour 1/2 cup sauce into the bottom of a 9x 13-inch baking pan to prevent sticking. Place each rolled enchilada seam side down in the pan and top with an even layer of sauce and 1 cup shredded cheese. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and bake the assembled enchiladas for 20 minutes until cheese bubbles and edges brown lightly. For a crispier top, broil 1 to 2 minutes watching closely. Remove the pan and let the enchiladas rest 5 minutes so the filling set and cutting is clean. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, slice limes for wedges, and serve each plate with 1/4 cup sour cream and optional sliced avocado. Leftovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.